Hello and welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily source of news and insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that's been on the minds of many Bitcoin traders and investors: the current state of the Bitcoin market, and where it might be headed in the coming weeks. Bitcoin price at pivotal point, $25,000 or $30,000? As of April 2023, Bitcoin is trading at around $27,000, which is a far cry from its all-time high of $64,000 in April 2021. However, despite this drop in price, many analysts believe that Bitcoin is still in a bullish trend and has the potential to reach new highs in the future. In recent weeks, Bitcoin has been hovering around the $25,000 to $30,000 price range, which some analysts believe is a pivotal point for the cryptocurrency. If Bitcoin can break through the $30,000 resistance level, it could potentially open the door for a new bull run with the potential for Bitcoin to reach new all-time highs. On the other hand, if Bitcoin fails to break through the $30,000 level and drops below the $25,000 support level, it could potentially signal a continuation of the bear market and a further drop in Bitcoin's price. So, what factors are currently affecting Bitcoin's price and could potentially determine its future direction? Let's take a look. Firstly, regulatory issues continue to be a major concern for Bitcoin traders and investors. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, which has led to a lot of uncertainty in the market. The recent crackdown on cryptocurrency mining in China is a prime example of how government actions can impact the market. Secondly, investor sentiment is another key factor that could potentially affect Bitcoin's price. While some investors remain bullish on Bitcoin and see it as a long-term investment opportunity, others are more skeptical and view Bitcoin as a speculative asset with no intrinsic value. Thirdly, technological advancements and innovation within the cryptocurrency space could potentially impact Bitcoin's price. For example, the recent adoption of the Lightning Network, which is designed to improve Bitcoin's scalability and speed, could potentially make Bitcoin more attractive to investors and increase its demand. So, what does all of this mean for Bitcoin traders and investors? Well, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile and unpredictable. While Bitcoin may be at a pivotal point right now, its future direction is far from certain. Bitcoin is currently trading at around $27,000, and analysts believe that it's at a pivotal point in its price range. If it can break through the $30,000 resistance level, it could potentially signal the start of a new bull run. However, if it drops below the $25,000 support level, it could potentially continue the bear market. Factors such as regulatory issues, investor sentiment, and technological advancements within the space could all potentially impact Bitcoin's price in the future. It's important for traders and investors to stay informed and up to date on these factors and be prepared for volatility and fluctuations in the market. In conclusion, the cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile and unpredictable, and it's important to do your own research and make informed decisions when it comes to investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. As mentioned earlier, regulatory issues continue to be a major concern for Bitcoin traders and investors. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and this has led to a lot of uncertainty in the market. For example, China has recently cracked down on cryptocurrency mining and trading, which has led to a significant drop in Bitcoin's price. Similarly, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been cracking down on cryptocurrency exchanges and initial coin offerings that are not complying with securities laws. While some countries are taking a more proactive approach towards regulation, such as Switzerland and Japan, others are taking a more cautious approach, such as the European Union. The lack of a clear regulatory framework has led to a lot of uncertainty and volatility in the market, which can impact Bitcoin's price. Another key factor that could potentially affect Bitcoin's price is investor sentiment. While some investors remain bullish on Bitcoin and see it as a long-term investment opportunity, others are more skeptical and view Bitcoin as a speculative asset with no intrinsic value. Finally, technological advancements within the space could also impact Bitcoin's future direction. For example, the introduction of the Lightning Network has the potential to significantly improve the scalability and transaction speed of Bitcoin, which could make it more attractive to mainstream users and investors. Similarly, the introduction of new applications and use cases for Bitcoin, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, could also increase demand for the asset and potentially drive up its price. It's worth noting, however, that technological advancements can also have the opposite effect. For example, if a major security flaw is discovered within the Bitcoin protocol, this could potentially lead to a loss of confidence in the asset and a drop in its price. In conclusion, There are a number of factors that could potentially impact Bitcoin's price in the future, including regulatory issues, investor sentiment, and technological advancements within the space. While it's impossible to predict the future direction of Bitcoin with complete accuracy, staying informed and up to date on these factors can help traders and investors make more informed decisions when it comes to investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Lastly, if you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends and fellow cryptocurrency enthusiasts. It really helps us out and allows us to continue providing you with high quality content. Thanks again for tuning